Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to save big on bulk orders using DHGate. Let's get started. First, always message sales directly before placing a large order. Use DHGate's messaging system to negotiate discounts for bulk purchases. Many sellers offer low prices if you buy in a quantity. Next, compare multiple sellers for the same product. Check their ratings, reviews, and order history to ensure reliability. Look for sellers offering a wholesale or bulk discount tags on their product page. Use DHGate's coupon and promotion section during checkout. Sellers often provide codes for first-time buyers or seasonal sales. Stack these with the bulk deals for maximum savings. Choose economical shipping options like e-packet or consolidated shipping for large orders. This reduces costs significantly compared to express delivery. Always pay through DHGate's secure escrow system, never outside the platform. This protects your money until you confirm receipts and satisfaction with the order. Finally, leave positive feedbacks after a successful bulk purchase. This builds rapport with the seller for even better deals next time. And that's it. You're now saving smarter on DHGate bulk orders. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments what you're buying in a bulk. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.